Well, first of all, jack your car, get underneath of your car, and start taking all the bolts, 10 millimeters bolts, all over around. I had this cooler right here. It has two purposes. One is collect the oil. There's gonna be a lot of oil. And second, when I get the part, it's gonna hold it. I'm gonna put it right on top of this, and it's gonna hold the bulb. And the same thing when I'm gonna put it on, when I'm gonna connect it, because there is a connector right on the top. So I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's gonna hold that part. All right, I'm just gonna take that pen. So I left the cooler right there because still a lot of oil coming off. So I had the pen right here. It has two magnets. So you just gotta clean these really good. Clean the magnets. The magnets, they're supposed to hold like little shavings of metal that is inside the transmission. I had this part off already, but I'm going to show you the most important part that you have to do. You got to make a map, and you're going to situate all the holes, and every time that you take a bolt, you stick it right there and there and there. You know, all the black holes is where the bolts they go. The X is the bolts that you don't have to take off. All right, so just keep that in mind. Don't take those bolts with the X. They had to remain there. All right, I had the part right here. I had the magnets. This is the two magnets. Okay, I'm gonna show you something very important about the part. Let me go around. All right, so the part is gonna be hanging from this cable right here. So you just press this clip, and the whole part is gonna come out. All right, so few things, very important things. Okay, this is the stepper motor that you need to take it off. Use an Allen wrench. Take these two bolts. I'm already loose them. So you take those two bolts, and this part, this little engine is gonna be loose. Then you put a screwdriver right here, right there, right in the middle. Press, and this clip is gonna come out. But before I take this stepper motor, this part right here, you see this part, it goes right inside, the motor. And this one, this little thing right here, it has a spring right here. So if you find a spring, that goes right over here, right here inside. That's why this part is moving like that. Okay, so let's take this off. Okay, that's the little motor. It's very little. So this part, if you I didn't leave the spring, and I didn't have reverse. I only had like my car on drive. So this part, when you're gonna put it in, when you put the new motor, there is a hole right behind. You gotta put like a little Allen right here to hold this, because you don't want this part to coming off. Okay, let me show you where is the hole. Okay, this is the hole. You see, it's 2 screws, 2, and right here, that's where you put the Allen, the little skinny Allen, to hold that part. I like to, kind of like tack it right here, so it's not gonna move. You see, it's not gonna move when I'm gonna put the part on. Okay, this is how the part looks. So basically, it's like this is the ball that you need to leave. It's 2, 2, 3, 2, and 2. The move right here, and another 2. This nut is not very important. Make sure. Okay, there is a screw right here. Make sure that nut is gonna be tight, because when you put the part, there's no way that this is gonna be tight. There is another nut right here, same thing. Make sure, you see, make sure this is gonna be tight when you put it on. Another thing, this part right here, it goes right on this hole. This part is kind of loose, so you gotta keep it in that hole. What else? So basically, you see this part right here? Make sure this is gonna be in when you put back the part. So I made that mistake. I took this part all out, and when I put the part and I screw all the bolts, there's no way to put this right in there. This is where this little guy goes. It goes right there. You see, this is the 14 millimeter bolt. It's only one 14 millimeter, and this part, it goes right in there. So there is a bolt that is coming out. It's kind of like a guide. So you put the nut and the washer right there. Okay, you do this at the end. There is when you take it off the 14 millimeter bolt, you're gonna find one bolt hiding right here. I'm gonna show you another part. I like to take in the beginning, I like to take the let me show you. Let's go underneath of the car. This filter right here, I like to take these 3 bolts first, and right underneath is going to be 2 more bolts. So you take those bolts, the 2 little ones and 1 large one. This filter came out, and you're gonna find a metal piece right here, and you take it off these 2 screws. You see this metal part. This metal part, it goes like this because it holds the filter. So you put it like this. Sometimes, you take all the bolts, and sometimes you have to take, so this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Sometimes you have to take this off, and this is gonna come out really easy. I'm gonna take the screws. I'm gonna put the screws in the map, and I'm gonna see if I can show you. Where how this is gonna come out. Start putting all the bolts right there in the map. All right, when you take this 14 millimeter, so this part is attached with this one, how I showed you earlier. So you take this with the washer. So this part is gonna come out, and you're gonna find 2 more bolts hiding right here. All right, this is the last bolt. This part is already loose, so I need the cooler. So I'm gonna put the 14 millimeter right here just to hold it, while I'm gonna put the cooler. Look at all the oil that I got. So I'm gonna put the cooler. It's gonna hold that part. It's not gonna be hanging from that cable. All right. You see, so the cooler is holding that part. I'm gonna get a light, but right over there, right in there, there is a clip. It's a cable that it holds the clip. Let me get a light. Oh, una hora. So you see, that's the clip. That's the clip right over there. You take that clip off, and all this part is gonna come out. Open a little bit more space. That's the clip that it needs to come out to take this part off.